The purpose of Buddhist teaching is to train our mind, because our mind is not always in the positive way of thinkings. If they are in positive way of thinking, then it's okay. That is not the case. Our mind is always in the negative way of thinking, such as angry, hatred, jealousy, attachment. So this is very dangerous to us in our daily life. If your mind gets angry, your mind wishes to harm somebody else. If your mind gets strong angry, then your mind wishes to harm not only single persons, single family. Your mind wishes to harm thousands of people's life, one community, one society. So that is very dangerous. We have to change our mind. So Buddhist teachings and Buddhist philosophies tells us how to train our mind and how to control our mind to be angry or to be negative way of thinking. You know. So that's the one of one of key purpose of Buddhist teachings. You know. That's all.